friends, I'm Dr. Jana Bogues, and I'm back for the third video of this three-part mini course on creating health from the soil up. In videos 1 and 2, we covered the depletion of nutrients from our soil and foods, and the impact of that on our health and environment, and how we can start turning that around by creating health from the soil up. In this video, we will go more in depth with some practical tips you can start applying immediately. We are part of nature. When we get separated from nature by eating devitalized foods, we become ill. Not only do we become physically ill, we can lose our spiritual connection as well. But when we turn back to nature and do things in accordance with natural laws, we can heal on all levels. Getting back to nature in your garden is an important step to healing. Just touching the soil and plants grounds us to the earth. There is an exchange of energetic ions which act as antioxidants. You've probably heard of the negative ions in nature which make us feel good and are healing. We get so disconnected from nature by wearing insulative shoes and spending time indoors and in our vehicles. Having a stressful day? Just go out to your garden, touch the plants, get your hands in the soil, and in a few minutes you will notice that the stress melts away. It's sort of a mental reset. There has actually been quite a bit of research on the benefits of horticultural therapy. Some people even have gotten college degrees in horticultural therapy. Take some time just to be in nature and listen to what it is trying to teach you. You can find your true self there in your garden. And come also to deeply realize that you are here as a steward and a caretaker of the earth. Nature nurtures us, and we should in turn nurture nature. One way to do that is to balance the soil in your garden. Then your garden will have even more abundance to give back to you. It is indeed an upward spiral of healthy caring and giving with huge rewards. A friend of mine came up with a fun mantra: healthy, wealthy, wise, happy, holy. Our health is our wealth, and growing our own beyond organic foods can not only help keep us healthy, but it can also be a source of income while doing something amazing to help other people. Healthy, wealthy, wise, happy, holy. It certainly is wise to optimize your health, and greater wisdom, greater light, and consciousness will naturally be yours as you do. Biophoton energy in foods and in humans have been measured. The energy is highest in well-grown, fresh foods, like those freshly picked from your own nutrition-grown garden. High-frequency foods enhance your own vibrational frequency levels. Conversely, low-frequency foods deplete your frequency levels. As the measured frequencies drop in a human being, they become more chronically ill. But the good news is that we can turn this scenario around. People have healed from devastating diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Healthy, wealthy, wise, happy, holy. Having great health and abundant energy leads to greater happiness and holiness as you overflow your loving energy to others. Your life becomes more fulfilling as you care for yourself, care for others, and care for the world. You will develop a greater sense of your life mission here on earth. You will gain a deeper understanding of how you can be of true service. You may even realize a sense of oneness with all of creation. Healthy, wealthy, wise, happy, holy. What's the alternative? Sick, depressed, and a sense of being lost? That's no fun at all. This is why I've devoted the last 20 years of my life working on what it takes to produce healthier foods that can make a real difference in your life. Many of you will be interested to learn about how to integrate nutrition-grown foods into your life and be part of the nutrition-grown revolution. I have the resources to help you. Resources you won't find anywhere else because I personally developed this growing system. I have several options to help you in your quest for the best food ever. The Perfect Soil course and the Done With You Garden Optimizing Makeover. To gain a deeper understanding, my best recommendation is to take my interactive online video course, which includes my unique optimized nutrition grown analysis. I call this my Perfect Soil course. We will have direct interactions with one-on-one and group conversations. This makes for a fun and supportive environment for learning and applying the knowledge. I've been teaching my Perfect Soil course for a while now and have had great feedback and results from students. I would like to share what some of them have to say. Thank you. I'm just loving this course. I'm so thankful you put this together. I can see it must have taken a long time and much effort. Kind regards, Julie. I'm very much enjoying your Perfect Soil course. Blessings, Vernon. I'm so excited about the nutritionally grown salads I've been able to make from my garden. They are beautiful, and I feel energized after eating them. Thanks, Jennifer. A year ago, I took your course. It was awesome. I learned much. Sincerely, Eugene. Thanks for all your help. You have great videos. Keep up the good work. You are making a difference. Warm regards, Joe. Joe farms thousands of acres. So whether you are a backyard gardener, a market gardener, or a large-scale farmer, the same principles apply. The second option I recommend, especially for those with less free time, is the Done With You Garden Optimizing Makeover, with personalized one-on-one help to get your garden optimized quickly with minimal effort. The makeover includes the optimized nutrition grown analysis, a customized ready-to-apply soil nutrient package, and one-on-one consulting calls to help you through each step of the process. My best recommendation for you to achieve a fabulous garden is my third option, which is a combination of the Perfect Soil course and the Done With You Garden Optimizing Makeover. Here you get all of the information and group interactions along with a customized garden program and one-on-one support here in one best value package. Even if you are challenged to be able to grow your own garden, you can work with a local gardener or farmer by introducing them to the concepts and supporting them to grow beyond organic foods for you. Think about gifting them with the Perfect Soil course, a Done With You Garden Optimizing Makeover, or for maximum value, the combination package. Then they can share their wonderful produce with you. In closing, I would like to leave you with this. We are the ones we are waiting for. We can work together in love to heal the world, starting in our own gardens. I'm Dr. Jana Bogues of BeyondOrganicConsulting.com, and I look forward to meeting you soon as a student in my Perfect Soil course and working with you one-on-one to optimize your garden. Just click below to learn more.